Ever wonder why some people burn fat in their sleep while you're struggling to lose a single pound despite starving yourself?
The cold, hard truth: most of what you've been told about dieting is a flat-out myth. Today, we're breaking the matrix with real science. Myth 1. Eat less, move more. It sounds logical, but your body isn't a calculator. It's a complex chemical laboratory.
When you starve yourself, your brain panics. It signals insulin, your body's security guard, to lock the fat stores and throw away the key.
You cannot outrun a bad diet. Hormones dictate where your fat goes, not just the minutes you spend on a treadmill. Extreme calorie cutting actually breaks your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight in the long run. Myth number 2. Eating fat makes you fat. In reality, healthy fats are the premium fuel your brain and heart crave. Most low-fat products in American aisles are packed with hidden sugar to fix the taste. And sugar? That's the real villain. Sugar spikes your insulin, and high insulin is the stop sign for fat burning. It tells your body, store everything.
The secret isn't deprivation. It's choosing foods that keep your hormones stable and your engine running hot.
Think long hours of cardio is the only way to melt fat? Think again. Your body is a master of efficiency. It learns to burn less to survive the grind.
Building muscle is like upgrading your car's engine. Muscles are metabolically expensive. They burn calories even while you're sitting on the couch.
Resistance training triggers a metabolic afterburn that lasts for 48 hours. You're literally turning your body into a fat incinerating furnace. But here is the kicker. You can have the perfect diet and gym routine, but if you're stressed and sleepless, your progress hits a brick wall.
When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol. It tells your brain there's an emergency, forcing it to hold on to belly fat for survival. Sleep isn't just rest, it's a metabolic reset. This is when melatonin takes over, repairing your cells and balancing your hunger hormones. Without enough deep sleep, your body becomes insulin resistant. You wake up hungrier, craving sugar, and ready to store fat all over again.
Lowering your stress isn't just self-care, it's a biological necessity for fat loss in our high-speed American lifestyle.
Finally, let's talk about the trillions of tiny roommates living in your gut. Your microbiome can actually decide if you stay lean or gain weight.
Feed the good guys with fiber, and they'll produce compounds that speed up your metabolism. Feed the bad guys with sugar, and well, you know the rest.
Often, your brain confuses thirst with hunger. Staying hydrated isn't just for skin, it's the cooling system for your metabolic engine.
Even mild dehydration can slow down your fat-burning processes by up to 30%. Drink up to keep the fire burning. Most people fail because they think one bad meal ruins everything. In the US, we call this the all-or-nothing trap.
Weight loss isn't a 30-day challenge. It's a lifestyle shift where consistency beats perfection every single time.
When you master your hormones and your habits, that monster scale loses its power over you. So, let's recap. Manage your insulin with whole foods, build your muscles for a faster engine, and respect your sleep.
Your journey to a healthier you isn't about fighting your body. It's about learning its secret language.
Thousands have already broken the diet matrix. You are not alone, and your body is ready to change when you are.
I'm Dr. Beatty, and I'm here to guide you through every step of this biological revolution. Don't let the myths win.
If you're ready to reclaim your health, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Your new life starts today. See you in the next one.